Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand the concept of trigonometric ratios with the help of a unit circle. A unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 unit. Let this be a unit circle with center at O. Let P be a point on the circle with coordinates A and B. A and B are the perpendicular distance of the point P from the y-axis and x-axis. OP is a radius on a unit circle which is 1. Let us draw a tangent line at point P. Tangent line is perpendicular to the radius Let the tangent line meet the x-axis and y-axis at point T and point S. Let theta be the angle suspended by the point P at the center O with the x-axis. Let the perpendicular lines from point P on the x-axis and y-axis meet at points M and N. Let us now see the trigonometric ratios sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta is the ratio of the opposite by the hypotenuse, and cos theta is the ratio of the adjacent by the hypotenuse. Take the triangle OPM, which is right angled at point M. On this triangle, sin theta is equal to the opposite, which is B, divided by the hypotenuse, which is the radius 1. And cos theta is equal to the adjacent, which is A, and the hypotenuse 1. And hence, sin theta is equal to B and cos theta is equal to A. Hence, the point P with coordinates A and B can be rewritten as point P with coordinates cos theta and sin theta. Now let us take the triangle OPT. This is right angled at point P. So tan theta will be equal to the ratio of the opposite by the adjacent. On triangle OPT, the opposite is PT and adjacent is OP, which is PT by 1, which is equal to PT. And secant theta is equal to, it is the inverse of cos theta, which is hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. So in the triangle OPT, hypotenuse is OT and the adjacent is OP, which is equal to OT divided by 1, which is equal to OT. Now in triangle OPS, the angle at S will be equal to theta. Take triangle OPS. In this triangle, cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by the opposite, and the adjacent to angle theta is PS and opposite is OP. So cot theta is equal to PS divided by OP, which is equal to PS by 1, which is equal to PS. And cosecant theta is equal to the inverse of the sin theta, which is hypotenuse divided by the opposite. So in triangle OPS, for the angle theta, hypotenuse is OS and opposite is OP. So cosecant theta becomes OS divided by 1, which is OS. So this gives the relationship between the trigonometric ratios with respect to the unit circle and the tangent line at point P. The point P can be written as the point P with coordinates cos theta and sin theta, and the various lengths that we see on the x-axis OT is equal to the secant theta, on the y-axis OS is equal to the cosecant theta, the length of the line PT is equal to tan theta, and the length of the line PS is equal to the cot theta.